I just bought something today. I fucking hate my life. Okay, so fucking fidget spinner. It looks like the day has come, I guess. Alright, let me just open this up. Fucking fidget spinners. Fucking fidget spinner. A fucking fidget spinner. Are you serious, dude? Anyway, I just bought this just to see how fucking cancer it is. That's because it is. It is cancer. Fidget spinners are cancer. Fidget spinners are cancer. You know that. Fidget spinners are the cancer of the earth. And they don't do any health benefits whatsoever. They're just toys, unlike any other, fidget toys. Actually, all fidget toys are not health beneficial to your health because they're just fucking toys. You just get toys from your local psychiatrist to get like stress toys or something, like a stress ball. But how does this fucking thing reduce your stress? Like, how the fuck? What? How is this a stress reducing toy? How? Alright, you know what? This fucking thing's trash. Yeah, just don't buy a fucking fidget spinner.